Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin 2x we change for 2 sin x cosine x. So this one we have 2 sin x cosine x. Next, sin x we can do about factorization. Next, we multiply sin x on numerator and denominator. Next, we have sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. This is about trigonometric identity. So we put this one go to the right. We have 1 minus cosine x squared. So we put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x. So if we do first the derivative for the both side, we have negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to du. So this one we change for u, and we have u squared. This one we change for u. Sin x dx we change for negative du. This one is about identity, so we have 1 square in here. A square minus b square, we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we have 1 minus u and 1 plus u. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over 1 minus u, capital B over 1 plus u, and capital C over 1 plus 2u. And now we do common denominator. So we have A multiplied by 1 plus u, 1 plus 2u. B multiplied by 1 minus u, 1 plus 2u. C multiplied by 1 minus u squared, because 1 minus u multiplied by 1 plus u, we have 1 minus u squared in here. And now we have same denominator in here. Now we need to expand this one. So this one we have 3u. This one we have 1u. And now we need to arrange based on the term of u. About u squared, we have 2a minus 2b minus c. About u, we have 3a plus b. About nothing, we have a plus b plus c. So if we look carefully about coefficient, we have negative number 1. That means a plus b plus c equals to negative number 1. we don't have u and u square. That means this one and this one equal to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we calculate about a, b, c. So we have 8 equals to negative 1 over 6. B equals to 1 over 2. C equals to negative 4 over 3. Now we go back to this one. Eight is about negative 1 over 6. B is about 1 over 2. C is about 4 over 3. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 6. Ln of the absolute value of 1 minus u. The next one is about 1 over 2, ln of 1 plus u. Why do we have positive in here? Because we have the negative sign here. If we do first the derivative of this one, we have negative number 1. That's why we have negative in here. Now, about this one, we have 4 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. Number 2, that's it from here, coefficient of u. Ln of 1 plus 2u. And we move about c. This one we simplify and we have 2 over 3. About u, that is about cosine x. I need to add it a little bit. This is negative sign. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.